Assalamualaikum and hi to Dr. Umiraba Hashim and to all my fellow friends. Today, our team will present our data structure and algorithm project. Before I start the presentation, I will introduce my team members. The first one is myself. I am Siti Humaira binti Muhammad Yusof. The second is Goh Yiling. Next is Tilaga anak perempuan Ana Malai. And the last one is Nurliana Alwani binti Muhammad Azman. So without further ado, I will present the project description. In this project, we are required to choose one sorting algorithm and one searching algorithm, and the name that we choose for this project is Student Grade Managing System. In this managing system, we'll include function of the searching detail by using student metric ID, and we'll sort out by the student their coursework. This system has been designed to manage and analyze the student grade. The objective of this system is to ensuring the students' detail can be accessed quickly and precisely. Also can track student performance in education easily.
For the sequential search, this method only been used in small lists or lists that are not usually will be searched often. The searching starts at the beginning of the list. It will compare with the current value and the target value. If the current value matches perfectly with the target value, the search is successful. The index of the value is written. If the current value does not match the target value, it will move to the next value until it's able to find the target value in the list. This process will continue until the target value is found or until it reaches the end of the list. If the end of the list is reached without able to find the target value, the search is unsuccessful and the value is returned to show that the target value is not available on the list.
Now, I will present for the part of bubble sorting. Bubble sort is a simple sorting algorithm that repeatedly steps through the list to be sorted, compares adjacent items, and sort them if they are in the wrong order. Bubble sort exchange unsorted elements systematically until all elements are arranged in the desired way. The path through the list is repeated until the list is sorted. Bubble sort is a stable sorting algorithm as it maintains the relative order of equal elements. Bubble sort can be adaptive if optimized by adding a flag to monitor whether any swaps were made during the iteration. If no swaps are made, the algorithm can be terminated early. The advantages of bubble sort are simple to understand and implement as well as does not require additional memory. The disadvantages of bubble sort are inefficient for large lists and quadratic time complexity. In our coding, there is a temporary variable called temp that used for swapping elements. An outer loop is used to iterate over the list from the beginning to the end. An inner loop is started from the element next to I and goes to the end of the list. The loop compares the marks attribute of the current pair of elements. If the marks of the elements at I is greater than the marks of the element at J, they are swapped.
So I will present about the key points for sequential search. First, check if the list is empty. Second, iterate through each element. Third, compare the target with current element's metric number. Fourth, return the index if found, otherwise indicate it wasn't found. For bubble sort, first, iterate over the list. with nested loops. Second, compare adjacent elements based on their mark. Third, sort them if they are in the wrong index. Fourth, repeat until the list is sorted.
Okay, right now we are at our menu for the coding. So let's start for the menu 1. So let's say I press the button 1 and I press the enter. And this is the output to add any person. So first data, I will add the name. Next, the normal matrix. And my marks. Okay, enter. So this is the output after we insert any data of any person. Okay, next. And this will come back at the home screen. I will input. Okay, input je. Okay, so this is the data after I input the 4%. So this is all the for all the person data. Okay, that's all for me.
First, we need to enter number 2 and press enter. The record of the student will be shown to follow the inserted sequence like just now Humaira insert. Now I will pass to my friend.
Well, hello everyone. I will continue from number 3, which is search person by metric number. So in the choice, when I press number 3, it will show the next output, which is search person by entering the metric card number. So when I enter a metric number, for an example, I enter B03, so it will display the name, metric number, and as well the mark. For an example, as you can see in the screen, you can able to see my name Tilaga. The metric number is 003 and as well the mark, which is 60. So this is the data will be displayed once you enter the metric number of the student that you want to see the details of. And then when I press again choice number 3 by searching person by metric number, and I search the metric number of a student which does not exist in the data below. For an example, I'm entering a number that does not exist. It will display not found because the data is not exist in the following searching of the student details. So there will be no data.
Okay, next I will present for the number 4 menu. So I will enter number 4. The number 4 menu is for the sort person by marks. It will sort the person marks that inserted previously by ascending order. This is because we use the bubble sorting algorithm. So for the number 5 menu is exit. This menu will exit the program. So that's all from us. Thank you.